Today is a great day to explore other side of Vietnam. And today ay sinundo kami ng aming guide kasi may tour kami na nabook sa Klook and today we will be going to Ninh Binh. And from Hanoi ay nasa 94.1 km ang distance nito. And today ito yung itinerary namin sa Ninh Binh.
And it took about more than 2 hours. All the Asian capital. This is the first capital of Vietnam. Trang An. At Trang An we will go to Pho Cave.
So after an hour and a half, nag-stop over kami dito guys. So nag-toilet, tsaka gasoline station, tsaka pwedeng kumain and kape for 25 minutes dito. Yan, nag-toilet kami dun banda. Tapos eto lang, para maihiya kayo, eto yung loob niya.
Vietnam in the period of 968 Dinh Lê Dynasty and big country to compare with China at that time.
We have 50 minutes to explore the area and then yung guide namin ay bumibili pa siya ng ticket. So eto, pupunta muna kami sa may bridge before going inside. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda. It's a good day to tour around Ninh Binh. And ito sinasabi lang ancient town dito sa Vietnam. Dito banda sa may Hoa Lu. Oh, let's go. So laki dito guys. Actually nasa may entrance pa kami. And then yung entrance dito may bayad. Pero kasali na siya sa aming tour package na nabook namin sa Klook. Sabi ng guide namin kasi may pa-history sila. So ito daw yung place na to tinatawag na Hoa Lu Ancient Town. So, dito daw yung may kingdom daw dito, ganun. If I'm not mistaken. Yan. Ang lawak daw na to guys. Tapos dito nilagay yung kingdom kasi papansin nyo maraming mga mountains, limestone mountains. Kaya mas protected yung kingdom nila dito. Nakinig ako. So, dito sa tour na to guys, especially dito sa may Hoa Lu Ancient Town, ay ma-feel mo talaga yung sinaunang kingdom era ng Vietnam. So guys, if you're coming here, tip ko lang sa inyo is check the weather and then magdala kayo ng mga essentials gaya ng eto. Hot, hindi kinakaya yung init guys. And also payong if in case sa trip nyo ay maulan. So at least may payong kayo or may poncho kayo, ganun. So ganitong kainit, magdala din kayo ng water para hindi kayo ma-dehydrate. And also magdala kayo ng sunblock guys. Kapag sunblock na naman kami. Kaya ayan, laban-laban sa init. Pero sobrang init guys. Tingnan nyo makulimlim guys. Pero again, napaka-humid. Grabe talaga ang init. First.
And the first king in this capital is well, you can see that picture. He was Dinh Tiên Hoàng. He was born in the first. He was born in the farmer family. So he looked after buffalo.
Ang ganda ng history dito guys. Kasi na-explain talaga ng guide yung history ng place. And mas maganda talagang may guide. Iba talaga yung feeling pag may guide kasi maintindihan mo talaga yung history ng lugar. So kaya ngayon, napaka-interesting ng tour namin dito sa Ninh Binh, especially dito sa may Hoa Lu Ancient Town. So before pala, naging Hanoi yung capital. Dito talaga yung first kingdom nila. Nilipat lang sa Hanoi nung anong taon yun. Sobrang tagal na. So, papasok kami sa temple and needed na magsuot ng skirt. Kasi naka-mini skirt ako. So, meron namang available dito guys. And walang bayad. Let's go!
Here in China, before this dragon bat. You can see the dragon bat decorated with the scoring.
We're done here sa Walo Ancient Town, and now we're on to our next tour. Hindi, magla-lunch guys kasi kasali na sa tour excursion yung lunch namin. Tapos sabi ng guide, buffet daw. So saktong-sakto lang kasi time check, it's 11:30 in the morning. Yan, mabilisan lang siya guys. Like, pinuntahan namin yung dalawang temple. Gusto sana naming mag-bike, kaso lang, wala nang time guys. So, yung sarap sanang mag-bike. Daming nagbabike dito. Maybe next time na lang. Or if kayo, may mahaba kayong time, you can also try to ride a bike and then explore more of the place. Ayan. We are here sa may Tampok, like 20 minutes away from Walo, Ancient Town. So dito kami kakain ng lunch. Nag-food eh. We are done eating and all I can say, sobrang sulit ng aming lunch here in Ningdin. Diba, bongga? So, naghanap kami ng kape. We wanted to drink some coffee. So, nandun lang yung sakayan ng boat. Tapos, pwede daw tayong mag-bike dito. Hindi pa namin alam since wala pa yung guide namin. But, so now, time check, 12:30. We will do biking. Hindi ako marunong mag-bike guys. Buti na lang yung husband ko marunong mag-bike. Angkas lang ako. So, package na kinuha naman sa Klook, hindi siya kasali. So, we need to pay around $2 or 50k dong. So, dadagdag na lang kami. So, sa aming dalawa ng husband ko, 100k yung bayad. Neto, aming dalawa na yan. We will do the bicycle tour here in Tamkok area. Yan. So, hindi ako marunong guys. Sasakay lang ako niyan. Our guide day.
Baby, it's plain to see that I get starstruck in your company. It's taken a year, but you don't understand how it makes me feel when I hold your hand. Tell me now if it's true. A change of pace would give me some certitude. I'm getting restless, but baby, don't mind. Too much time thinking get left behind.
We are back guys. Grabe nakakaano yung experience namin kanina sa bicycle. Tapos, hindi pala kami sasakay ng bangka dito sa may Tamkok. Ayan. Kasi hindi yung package na kinuha namin. Doon pa pala sa Trang'an. Which is malapit siya sa Walo, Ancient Town. So, yun na nga guys. Hindi kami nagkaintindihan ng guide kanina. So, ang ginawa namin, naglakad kami kasi may bibilhin kami. Ayun na, naiwanan kami ng bus kasi sasakay kami ng kakatid pala din kami sa may Trang'an Cave. So, ito nasa taxi kami. Buti na lang talaga, tinulungan kami nung owner ng cafe. Binook niya kami ng taxi going to Trang'an. So, it cost us only 100 plus, which is okay na din. Considering ang layo nun guys, like 20 minutes, almost 20 minutes yung layo niya. So, okay na din siya. Ayan, so let's go. Tinext naman kami ng, ng guide. Tinawagan niya kami. Kaso nga lang, nakalis na yung bus. So, sabi niya mag-taxi na lang daw kami. So, ito, mahabol kami. Ayan, let's go. Abot naman kami. Hello? Hello po. Ganit.
Like, you know, in Thailand when the boys.
Ah, yeah, the 13 kids.
Yeah, I don't want to be in that. That's my girl.
Alright. Yeah. Yan, we're almost done with our boat ride here in Trang An. So, naiwanan man kami. Pero, ayan, napursu pa din. All I can say, guys, is it's a must-try and recommended attractions and activities. Pag pupunta kayo ng Hanoi, Vietnam, isalin nyo itong Ninh Binh Tour and kuhanin nyo itong Trang An boat ride. And sobrang blessed naman today kasi alam nyo ba, sa buong stay namin here in Vietnam, sa Hanoi lang kasi kami, di ba? Ngayong araw na to, tumiming yung aming pag-book ng tour kasi mainit. Hindi kami inulan. Although grabe talaga yung init, guys. Napaka-humid. But then, sobrang ganda pa din ng aming panahon today. Ayan. So always remember to check the weather and then also to bring some sunblock kasi kailangan nyo talaga yan. Yan. Yan, si ate. Hindi kami magkaintindihan ng aming tour guide. Pero pinipilit namin intindihin and successful naman. Yan. Dito na kami and bababa na kami.
Thank you.
So, hindi pa tayo tapos for today's agenda. We are going to Muak Cave. Oh, grabe yung tour, guys. Grabe, magbaon talaga kayo ng hangin, ng lakas, ng energy. Kasi, yun na nga. Napaka-active ng ating excursion, guys. Grabe. I think one na lang yung kulang natin, yung Muak Cave. Kasi aakyatin mo pa yun and that's our last activity for today. Yan. So, eto susundan na namin ng aming guide kasi baka maiwanan na naman kami. We are here for our last activity for this excursion, ang Muak Cave. So yun na nga, guys, this is our last activity for this excursion, ang mag-hiking going to Muak Cave. So dito mo makikita yung overlooking view ng Ninh Binh. So 15 minutes daw yung paakyat, guys. Normal pacing yan. Depende kung anong pace nyo, guys. But yeah, 15 minutes or 500 steps going up. We have 1 hour and 10 minutes na mag-explore sa place and umakyat sa taas. So, tara at mag-hiking. Pa dyan, guys, oh, Tiger Cave, pero dito yung ating purpose. Ano magsalita? We are here sa baba na, guys. And alam niyo ba, sabi ng guide, kung ayaw niyo umakyat or hindi niyo kaya, pwede naman kayo dito sa baba kasi sa baba ay may cave. Yan, tiger cave na pwede niyo i-explore din. Sumakyat kami saglit sa taas and hindi na namin tinuloy sa may peak, sa may viewing point kasi hindi na kaya, guys. So it's 4:30 na and pupunta kami sa may Lotus Lake. Doon na lang kami mag-chill and magpipicture ng bongga. Kasi hindi na talaga kakayanin ng energy namin yung Mwa Cave or yung Mwa viewing point, guys. Grabe talaga. So dito banda, guys, nag-harvest sila ng mga lotus. Pero dito, pwede pa dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda, diba? Hello everyone! We are back again here in Old Quarter, Hanoi. So na-energize ulit kami kasi sa biyahe nakatulog kami. Smooth yung biyahe and mabilis lang naman. 2 hours din yung inabot pero nakaka-relax kasi nakatulog kami. So now we have some energy to explore pa the place. Oh, diba? Let's go! So this is what we ordered. Thai chin for 65k. Grabe, guys, ang sarap ng sabaw niya, guys. Tinikman ko na yung sabaw. Tapos eto pala ay cilantro. Hindi ko bet talaga yung cilantro. Pero ayan, ang sarap niya. Grabe, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Good job. Pauwi na kami ng aming hotel and tinry namin sakyan itong rickshaw nila, guys. So, ito, going to our hotel for around 1 kilometer is 50k BND. Ayan. So, need nyo pa talagang makipaghagal para mag-meet kayo ng price. Kasi syempre, bubungat sila ng mahal na presyo. Ayan. So, ayan. Umano naman siya, nag-yes naman siya sa price na sinabi namin. Kaya ito, nakasakay na kami. It's the first time to ride the bike.